Hi, this is Casey Wade's video instruction commentary. The problem that we're addressing today, guys, is a homework problem. 2 over 3 plus 1/2 equals 3/5. I thought a fun way to go over this problem would be the pizza method. So, I think what one of you guys did is you forgot about our common denominator. You went across and did 2 plus 1 equals 3 and 3 plus 2 equals 5. So, we forgot that 3 over 3 is the same as 1 whole, and 1 over 1 is also the same as a whole, as well as 2 over 2 is the same as 1 whole. I'm sorry, I'm doing my best to make this viewable. So, it would be easier to set it up like this. 2 over 3 plus 1/2. So when we're going across, we have to think of our common denominator. What can go into 3 and 2 the same number of times? Well, we learned from when we learned how to count by twos that 2, 4, 6, and 3, 6. See, that's 2 times, and then that's 3 times. We learned that they both have a common denominator. See? So we take our 2, and we're going to put it right over here by our 3. What we do on the bottom, we got to do on the top. We're going to take our 2 and multiply it. And then what we do on our bottom, got to take our 3 and multiply by our 3. I'm so sorry, guys. If I had that upside down, let me fix that. There we go. I apologize. So, 2 times 2 is 4, and 3 times 2 is 6. Then 2, 3 times 1 is 3, and 2 times 3 6. I'm sorry, I apologize. So we keep what is on the bottom the same. We're just going to go straight down. 4 plus 3 is 7, and we get 7 over 6. So 7 over 6 is a mixed number. So we're going to go back to our pizza. So we've got 7 over 7 is the same as 1 whole. And I'm going to go ahead and explain that it would be a lot easier if I had some sort of overhead projector or something, and that way I could easily like move my hands along with my manipulatives, because I do have them here, and in a classroom setting I would be doing that. It is just difficult for me to position with trying to record and show my hands and what I'm doing. Anyway, we'll get 1 whole and a remaining 1/6. And what is our bottom has to remain on our bottom. And I would also show my manipulatives, which now that I've gotten that out of the way, this is what I had planned, and I'll explain it. So here is I have the halves, 4 quarters, 6th, thirds, fifths, and sevenths. And I would plan to, here are my halves. I would show the students a half is a half, take away one, position it, put it on it so they can line it up. Same with here are the 1, 2, 3, 4, fifths. And these aren't perfect, but they all come together. To make an entire pizza, you get the concept though. Again, this is a rough way of explaining it, but I cut out each section of the pizza to show that they all would fit together on the whole. Again, it is just kind of difficult with me trying to move everything to make this easily viewable, but I do think this pizza method would work and would easily show students, because all kids love pizza, so it's easy to show fractions and pizza working together. Again, this would be a lot easier in a classroom setting because I wouldn't have to be recording with one hand. But thank you.